Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and preventing damage. Turn off both monitor and PC, then wait 30 seconds. Next, inspect and reset the display cable, HDMI, DisplayPort, or VGA. Because a loose or damaged cable causes most flicker, swap it with a known good cable if available. Also, confirm the monitor uses its original power brick and try a different outlet to rule out voltage issues. Once those basics are locked down, move to Source and Settings Verification to isolate the problem. You now determine whether the blink is hardware, software, or signal related. Boot into BIOS or Safe Mode. If flicker stops, drivers are likely at fault. Then set the monitor to its native refresh rate and resolution because mismatched settings cause unstable sync. Swap GPU ports or use the motherboard output to test the graphics card and try another PC to see if the monitor itself blinks. While you test, listen for patterns. Regular intervals point to sync or cable issues. Random flicker suggests you finish by applying corrective actions. Update GPU drivers or roll them back if the problem began after an update, and install any monitor firmware available because software can fix handshake bugs. If the monitor still blinks, inspect or replace the internal power board or capacitors, or consult warranty service for panel repairs. These parts commonly fail. If nothing works, make a clear list of your tests and results, then contact manufacturer support. One key troubleshooting tip: record a short video of the blinking to show exact behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.